Delicious.
All right, good morning everyone. Today we are here with the Campfire Restoration Project, some of the volunteers from the local community that are working with different survivors of these multiple campfires or fires over the last few years. And we are giving some trees to the local communities as a part of the restoration so that they can have fruit and nuts in their homes and enjoy the breaking of bread and sharing of fruit within the community. So right now we are working with the volunteers here at the Campfire Restoration Project. We're sorting through the trees and we are going to break up into groups, and we will go into the communities with these volunteers and work with the family members to teach them about planting and the proper care and nutrition of growing trees as backyard farmers. We're here with Wayne Hill.
Yeah.
And he is a volunteer here with the Campfire Restoration Project. Wayne, can you share with us a little bit about your story and how we ended up here today?
I've been a volunteer leader in 4-H for the last 10 years. About 5 years ago, we started having more and more forest fires. We decided it would be a good project to get the kids involved in replanting the forests in our communities. And the campfire was national news and so devastating that it's taken years to rebuild that community. And it kind of sprung up this town over time inside an existing forest. And so while we planted conifers in my area, my vision was fruit trees would be better here. Fire resistant, a secure food source, and building community connections. And when I got connected with Campfire Restoration, they said, hey, we like this idea.
Can we get a
And based on the community's response, we knew that
we get a knife on that?
a lot of people would appreciate having fruit trees.
Well, we are so sorry for all of the loss that you all have experienced in this community, and we are so thankful to be a part of the restoration and the rehabilitation and the therapy that comes with being a backyard farmer. And we're thankful to get to connect with these community members. We're thankful to get to share, and we look forward to coming back and enjoying fruit with them in the future as well. Thank you for asking us to be a part of this project. It's an honor. So thank you, Wayne. And thank you, Campfire Restoration Project, for asking us to be here today.
Yeah, it's a great gift.
Yes, thank you.